Hey there, welcome back to another episode of House in Progress. I'm Scott, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get GutterStuff installed on your house. This product is designed to prevent leaves, debris, and other material from falling into your gutters, where normally year after year you'd be climbing up on ladders and scooping that stuff out. It's tedious work, so this will prevent all that stuff from falling into your gutters, which then keeps the water flowing away from your house, preventing costly water damage repairs. I'll show you the full process start to finish on how to get this installed. Let's get started. The first step is determining how much product we need. We can get the length directly from the roof, measuring the gutters, or we can just go alongside the house and get a pretty close estimation from there. You will want specific measurements of both the width and the depth to make sure that you order the right size product for your gutters. They do come in a couple styles as well, so make sure you get the right style, and if you need a fire-rated version, those are available directly from GutterStuff as well. The product is shipped in a compressed form, so you'll want to lay this out and let it expand for a couple of hours. They recommend that it can take up to 24, but it seemed to go pretty quickly in my experience. While the product's expanding, it's time to clean out the gutters and remove any leaves or debris by washing the gutters out very thoroughly. Now it's time to determine if we'll install below or above the gutter hangers. In the video on the left, you can see what it looks like below, and the video on the right, it's above. The real determination is if your gutter hangers are 1 inch below the top of the gutter, you definitely need to go with the above method. You may decide to do the above method anyways, just so that there's no debris that can get caught on the gutter hangers. Installing with the under method is quite simple. All you need to do is start at one end of your gutters, slide the product underneath the gutter hangers, and slide it to the end of the gutter. Continue this process all the way around the roof until you reach the other end. Even if you're installing with the under method, you may run across a gutter hanger that's at a weird angle like this one here, and you may want to make a special circumstance to go above the hanger in this specific location. With the above method, line up the GutterStuff exactly where it's going to go inside the gutter. This will help you see where you need to make a cut for the hanger. You're not cutting all the way through, but rather scoring the material a certain depth just to allow it to slide over the gutter hanger. Once you have that cut, just push down and feed it through the gutter just as you would for the under method. Make sure that it's as flush with the top of the gutter as possible. You'll likely get to a point where you need to cut a piece to the right length. In order to do this, grab a sharp utility knife and just cut the product all the way through. It's quite easy. And when it comes to cutting a corner, all you really need to do is cut a 45-degree miter in each piece so that they're meeting up at a 90-degree angle. Take a sharp blade and cut all the way through. And that's all there is to it. Within a couple hours, you can have GutterStuff installed around your entire house, protecting you year-round from leaves and other debris getting clogged up in the gutters and causing issues for you. I really hope that you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.